Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their vehicle in top shape, the Dynasty Digital Tire Inflator. We found this handy tool online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Dynasty Digital Tire Inflator? This versatile air compressor accessory is designed to help you accurately measure and inflate your tires, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. It's equipped with a pressure gauge that can handle up to 200 psi, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, from cars and motorcycles to bicycles and sports equipment. Let's break down some of the most important features. First off, one of the standout characteristics of this tire inflator is its dual-color scale tester. The gauge ranges from 0 to 300 psi and 0 to 20 kilopascals, providing you with clear and easy-to-read measurements. This allows you to quickly assess your tire pressure with confidence, which is crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency on the road. Another great feature is the convenient quick check connectors. The inflator comes with two connectors that have rubber tapered ends, making it super easy to attach to your tire valves. This design saves you time and hassle when you need to perform diagnostics or maintenance tasks, perfect for those busy days when you just want to get in and out. Now, let's talk about portability. The Dynasty Tire Inflator includes a blow-molded hard case for organized storage. This ensures that your inflator and all its components are protected during transport, whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast working on your vehicle at home. The durable construction of the case means that it can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for all your tire maintenance needs. Who is this product suitable for? Well, if you're a car owner, a motorbike enthusiast, or even someone who enjoys cycling, this tire inflator is perfect for you. It's also great for those who engage in outdoor sports and need to inflate balls or other equipment. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or just want to ensure your vehicle is safe for daily driving, this tool can help you do just that. In practical use cases, imagine it's a Saturday morning and you're planning a weekend getaway. Before you hit the road, you can easily check your tire pressure with the Dynasty Inflator. If the reading is low, you can inflate your tires right there in your driveway, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. Or perhaps you're a cyclist who needs to pump up your bike tires before heading out on a trail. With this inflator, you can quickly and efficiently get your tires ready without any fuss. In conclusion, the Dynasty Digital Tire Inflator is an essential tool that combines functionality, performance, and convenience. Whether you're a professional in the automotive field or just someone who likes to take care of their own vehicle, this inflator is designed to meet your needs. It's reliable, easy to use, and will help you maintain optimal tire pressure for better performance and safety. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.